Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix purchase not available in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So basically you need to open up your phone settings. You need to go to a certain setting that is called screen time. So go ahead and open screen time. After that, in screen time, scroll down, and then you just want to go into the content and privacy restrictions. As you can see, it's toggled on. If it's toggled off, just toggle it on, turn it on, and then just go to allowed apps. And then if you want to allow or disallow in our case, it's allow in-app purchases for Brawl Stars. So in this list right here in the allowed apps, you just need to find Brawl Stars your game and make sure that this slider is on. And after that, you shouldn't have any issues making in-app purchases in Brawl Stars. So that's basically how you can fix purchase not available in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.